Okay, so for this problem it says solve the equation for 0 degrees to 360 degrees. So we are going to answer in degrees. If we have to use our calculator for a problem, then we have to be in degree mode. Okay, so we have cosecant. This is hypotenuse over opposite. It does not match a special right triangle. I'm going to draw my triangles. And I'm going to have to use sine inverse of 1/3. Okay, so when I go to do this, I will use this angle. And now that we're in degrees, the way we adjust is our reference angle is for the first quadrant is just x, 180 degrees minus x, 180 degrees plus x, 360 degrees minus x. So for this one, what we get for that inverse will be for x, and then I just do 180. Okay, so I am first going to change this to degree mode. And then I'm going to do sine inverse of 1/3. And I get my degrees. That's for the first quadrant. And then I got to do 180 minus that number. Okay, both of these, we cannot forget to write a degree symbol. I will take off if you don't put the degree symbol. Okay, there's number 5. Okay, for this one, I am going to change this decimal to a fraction. So that would be 8/10, which simplifies to -4/5. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is in fact a triangle, a calculator problem. Cosine is negative to the left, labeling it. So we'll do cosine inverse of the positive 4/5. This will give us x, and we'll have to do 180 degrees minus x, 180 degrees plus x. So in our calculator, okay, so I do cosine inverse of 4/5. Okay, that's the angle in the first quadrant. I do 180 minus that number and 180 plus that number. And those are my two angles there. So theta is about 143.130 degrees and 216.870 degrees. Okay. 2 more. Number 7, cotangent of theta equals to 1. Cotangent is adjacent over opposite. That does match the side lengths of a special right triangle. Cotangent is positive in the first and second quadrant. This is the pi over 4s. We have to answer exact if we can. Ooh, not pi over 4s, we're in degrees. So 45 degrees, okay. So 45 degrees, and then this is going to be 225 degrees. Okay, yes, degrees. Okay, this is hypotenuse over opposite, not a special right triangle. We're moving to the calculator because it's not a quadrantal either. Hypotenuse is 5, opposite is -2. So we have to do the inverse of sine, and I do the reciprocal of this. So I flip that, I have to change it to sine, and I'm typing it in positive. I will do 180 degrees minus x, plus x, and 360 minus x. So, second sine of 2/5. That gives us the angle in the first quadrant. I add 180 degrees to that, and then I take 360 and I subtract that. And those are the two solutions here. 203.578 degrees and 336.422 degrees. Okay, and that's it for today.